Hey guys, Yahoo here, and today we're going to be finishing what we done earlier again. And if you don't know what we done or you forgot what we done, then basically we were doing a skin statue of a slime in a tuxedo or a suit. Again, we're still finishing it off. Yeah, so no time to lose, let's get started. So last video I got up to here doing the back of the statue, so that's what I'm going to carry on doing. I was doing building the back of the statue. That's what I'm going to keep doing. I've stopped flying for some reason. Yeah, so sorry for ending the last video pretty early. It's because every skin statue video is 10 minutes. So yeah. So it might take like 4 or 5 parts. Like part 1, part 2. Yeah. Yeah, sorry if I'm not talking that much in this video. I'm just concentrating on building. There's nothing much to do except for finish this video. Once I've finished all the parts to this video, I might make a new video how to do a head of a Minecraft character. Yeah. I had to build a Minecraft head. You guys can suggest a Minecraft head and I'll try to build it, or a Minecraft skin. If I can't, if I don't build the thing you're asking me to build, it's probably because I don't have time, or I'm not on Minecraft or my PC, because usually I'm not on my PC. I'm just out with my friends usually. Like PlayStation 4 and loads of devices. Yeah, so you guys, you can always just suggest what I should build next. And if I don't build it, it's probably because I can't build it, or I'm not here. Because I'm not always at home, but on my PC. So yeah. So once you've done the back of the statue, I haven't done yet, then you can move on to doing the arms. But I'm still finishing the back of my statue, just because Minecraft's lagging a bit, so I can't really build that much. Let me build. Yay! Oops. Yeah, because my computer has got a virus, it keeps putting on new websites. I think it's done that on every part so far. It's very annoying. Yeah, so now I've finished the back of the statue. I'm just going to do the arms. So now I just got to get some white wool. Oh, time flies, it's already been 5 minutes. Yeah, anyway, as I was saying, yeah, to do the arms, you build the exact same as what's on the front. So I'm just copying the front of the statue. Oops. Oh, and guys, if you can, please like this video, because I'm a new YouTuber, like I'm new to YouTube. This is my first day on YouTube. All part 1, part 2 and this part 3, I've built like all this statue in 1 day. So I've like recorded a video and built all in 1 day. I'm exhausted. But just for the viewers and you awesome dudes that are watching this, I'm building this for the people that want to see this. So like you can ask me to build a creeper and I'll build it if I can. So I'm not a very good builder. Well, I can be a good builder. It depends what I'm building. If I'm building something hard, then I'm not very good at building hard things. Oh, time flies, really. I might have to end this video in 3 minutes, maybe 2 minutes. All the parts so far have been ended at exactly 10 minutes. If not, then it's 9 minutes and 59 seconds. Oh, Minecraft, why are you lagging? Yes, I've almost built the arm. So all you gotta do is build the arms, is copy what it has on the front, and then you're good. Like, you've completed the arms. Time is going fast today. Yeah, so sorry if I wasn't talking or I wasn't moving.